In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use templates in Outlook. This skill is fantastic for streamlining your email process, ensuring consistency, and saving time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly craft and use templates to simplify your work routine. So let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook. This is the email platform where we'll be creating and managing our templates. If you haven't already, navigate to the Microsoft Outlook website or launch your Outlook desktop application. Once there, you'll see a sign in option in the top right corner if you're not already logged in. Click on that to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you use your credentials to sign in securely. Once you're signed in, you're ready to dive into the world of email templates. On the main Outlook interface, look for the option to create new mail. Clicking this will open up a fresh email draft for you to work with. Now this is where the magic happens. In the new mail window, locate the toolbar near the top of the screen. Here you'll find an app icon which usually looks like a little grid or menu. Click on this to reveal more options. Search for My Templates in the drop down menu that appears. You'll want to click on it to manage your existing templates or to create new ones. To add a new template, you'll notice a button that says Add Template. Select this option and you'll be prompted to enter some details. First, give your template a clear and descriptive title. This will help you quickly identify what each template is for when you have several to choose from. Next, paste the content you want to save as a template. This could be a standard greeting, a weekly update format, or any recurring email format you find yourself using frequently. Once you're happy with the content and title of your template, it's time to save it. Find the Save button, usually located near the bottom of the pop-up window, and click on it. Your template is now created and safely stored in Outlook, ready for you to use at any time. The real beauty of this feature comes when you want to use the template you've created. To do this, open a new email and click on the My Templates option in the toolbar once again. Browse through your saved templates and find the one you've just made. Click on it and watch as the content automatically populates into your email draft. And there you have it, a streamlined way to manage your communications with maximum efficiency. With just a few clicks, you've created a reusable template that can help keep your email correspondence consistent and professional. Practice creating different templates for different purposes, and soon you'll wonder how you ever managed your email without them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.